Hello, I'm Lesley Logan. Today we're going to talk about crisscross here in your C shaper. So crisscross often gets called bicycle, which is not the same thing. And then you go from all these different controlled ab exercises to like going side to side to side as fast as you can, or not even twisting at all, just kind of rolling from side to side. So on the C shaper, you're really going to feel the longest round shape with a twist that you can, which is so great because how hard is saw? We talk about that? How hard is snake and twist? How hard are all those twisting exercises where you have flexion, right? So you set yourself up like you do for your 100. You want to have the longest round shape and everything touching your C shaper. Your hands go behind your head. One knee pulls in, one leg goes out, and you're going to twist to your bent knee. Now this whole side of my body is going to pull into the C shaper, right? So I'm not going to arch off. I have to pull it in, and my knee doesn't get to go across my midline. It's easier to see that here than when you're on the mat. And I'm going to twist all the way over. So notice how I could pull my elbow in, but I'm bringing my armpit to my knee. And then you switch. Oh. And so you can really work that twist in the center of your spine and also work the longest round shape so that you don't get all like crunchy and just rolling from side to side. You also can practice seeing in your peripheral vision more how much you're treating with your elbows versus how much you are actually twisting with your waist. You can do 5 to 10 on each side, however many you need to like really juice that out. And then like all of these exercises here on the C shaper, the important thing is to actually see how they inform your practice. So get on your mat, get on your reformer, and do it after you've been here and see how you can take what you learned to something else that has less feedback, okay? For more information on my classes or how to do any of the exercises, please check out all of our free tutorials and our class subscriptions on onlinepilatesclasses.com. If you have questions or comments, I love to read them. You can put them in the comments below, and I will see you next time.